Mwaka umwe kuma kiama kia ODM na UDA ciagena wuiguano wa kiuteti. Wuiguano ria waciari riboti ya maundu 10 maria mabatie gucenjia mwathanire. Riu riboti ya muthia ni ikinyire metha ya president na KEERI ga kiumia giki ya Kenya ni makamithurima.
More so in this region.
Akiaria kaunti-ini ya Siaya, president augite riboti no nitagikire maundu megie ugai wa kigina gia kaunti ona kihonia kia mirurungano iria yumanaga na nganja cia ithurano.
The party of ODM under the party leader and the leadership of ODM, I did commit that we are going to be faithful to our relationship. It is going to be a relationship of equals. It is going to be a relationship with a win-win outcome. We are going to tell the citizens of our nation what we have achieved as broad-based. On Tuesday, we welcome them, the naysayers and the noisemakers and those in between, to come and listen to us.
And as we prepare, we want to negotiate so that we have something which we deserve. Kabogo, we don't want something from the mountain. We don't want your share. We just want our share. As ODM,
no na kuri oguo kuri na miaho itaiganire na kwaga ukinyanira kwa watho wa kuramata ithurano ona guthondekwo gituro kia mutongoria wa MUKITHANIIRO mwaho uria uranuguna thiini na nja wa ODM.
We know where we want to take this country. We have executed the 10-point agenda and we have a report to the members of our political parties and to the people of Kenya of what has been done, what has been achieved in devolution, what has been achieved in inclusion, what has been achieved in the fight against corruption, what has been achieved in making government effective, what has been achieved in making sure that we deal with the challenges that came with demonstrations and all the other issues.
And we have gone through that report with His Excellency the President. We have seen the progress. There's a lot of progress which has been made. And yet there are some people who are saying that 10-point agenda, there is zero performance in that agenda. They don't take their time to go through the details of what is in the 10-point agenda and see what has been implemented and what has not been implemented.
Igokire oguo president ni ageire kiene uteti wa MUKITHANIIRO uteti uria augite ni wainegene na gutetia thirikari hatari na kihonia.
I want to give them free advice. There is no room anymore for matters ethnicity in Kenya. There is no room anymore for exclusion in the Republic of Kenya. We are going to develop every county, every region equally like we are doing in every part of the Republic of Kenya.
Atongoria aria manyitarire na president makiria kuma gicigo kia Nyanza ni magathirio thii wa na mbere gicigo-ini giki rungu rwa thirikari ya urumwe.
Usaidie watu ya Siaya kabisa kwa sababu ile gavana wamechagua amekuwa mtu ya mkono ya mtu tulifukuza kazi huko ODM. Amekuwa mtu ya mkono ya Sifuna ambaye tumefukuza kazi.
Kila mtu anaunga rais mkono except mtu mmoja hapa. Tunataka kumwambia huyo mtu kwamba yeye hawezi rudi tena kuwe gavana hapa tena.
Ile ubaguzi ya zamani tutaimaliza wakati huu.